We start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim. And the big topic is the same. To help us construct a contrast, Lashon Hara versus Rechilus. So it says, today's topic, accuracy versus justification. Obviously, the requirements that one be certain of the accuracy of the information applies to all the situation, whether Lashon Hara or Rechilus, is to be spoken for constructive purpose. So first of all, we must make sure whatever we say is 100% accurate. Or if it's second-hand information, as we said before, so you have to present it as such. Don't say that I know that I was there. Present it as second-hand information. There is, however, an aspect of this requirement that does not apply in all cases. Let's see. We have seen in days 52 and 54, so now it's day 151, so it's 100 days ago, that the Torah requires us to judge our fellow Jew favorably and refrain from concluding that he has sinned when an alternative way of explanation of his behavior can be found. So for all of the kosher Jews or Jews that 50-50, right? So most likely he is a kosher person. So we have to find, we have to judge him favorably and find, if possible, some reasonable explanation why he is doing whatever he is doing. Okay. As noted, even when it is clear that a person has sinned, one must consider the possibility that this may have been a result of ignorance or unusual circumstances. Maybe this person did not know that under these circumstances he has to behave as usual. Let's say he thought that it's an exception. Okay, possible. Or unusual circumstances. So he was under stress. So it's not like he's rebelling against Hashem. Person was simply under stress. Okay. While the Torah does insist that we give people the benefit of the doubt, this should not be done at the expense of the others. Okay. Consequently, one has witnessed one person harming or attempting to harm another, when the need of the accuracy does not require an attempt to justifying the perpetrator's motives. So, if you know that there is a danger, so you're not obligated to be 100% accurate. So just present it as a danger and let this person decide what to do. Even if the act is out of the character, it must be rectified, right? And one may therefore inform the appropriate parties. Okay. So in case of the danger, we just inform. Okay.